and welcome. I have here VMOS D1 Wi-Fi development board with me and LDR sensor connected to it via analog input. I am sending the LDR values to my Google Forms here. This is the Google form that I have created. It's titled ESP8266, the LDR value short answer text and LDR value plus 10. And I have not mandated the fields here. See, you can make it mandatory to the required. It should not be checked. Now, what you have to do next is use the Google Form Post library, and its content is available here at GitHub. Just search in Google Form Post, and it will take you here. This Google Form Post library does not require API key of Google Forms to input data. I am sharing the code with you. The code is pretty simple. I am using Microsoft VS Code, and here Arduino.h, string, vector, Wi-Fi manager, Google Form Post.h. I have LDR pin at A0 and the form root URL. You will replace this URL with the URL of your form. To get this URL, you will go to your form and click on send, and then on this icon, and here you will get the URL. Copy that URL in the code here. The code is in the description. Bool post once serial.begin, because I am also monitoring the data at serial port, and Wi-Fi manager. So first time when your device will turn on, it will try to connect to your Wi-Fi. So if it will find the settings stored previously in your EEPROM, it will connect to your home internet. Otherwise, just go to your settings in the phone settings, Wi-Fi settings, and configure the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect it to the home Wi-Fi. Next, here you will have to replace here entry value of the form field. I have two entry values. The first entry value is for LDR value, and the second for LDR value plus 10. I hope you are getting it. These are the fields that are to be filled in the form. Okay, this value and this value. To get these fields, see here you will have to replace with your own numbers. For the fields that you have created, you can create as many fields as you wish, and the first field feeds in the LDR value and the second LDR value plus 10. I will show you. To do so, click on these three dots here and see get pre-filled link. Now right click here on the field that's entry ID you want and select inspect. Here you will be able to see the entry ID. This 439312706 has to be replaced over here, and the other one, for this one, just right click here and select inspect, and the entry ID 903483733, here this one, this value is the entry ID for the second field. Just replace it over here. Okay, the code should work. Now, if you have LDR something else other than LDR, such as a temperature sensor, or let's say a push button, whatever, replace this piece of code with that thing. I hope it makes pretty clear. See the code for the description for this code, and the more technical stuff at the GitHub Google Form Post library. Thank you very much. The results here, results are here that the sheets is updating on its own. See, every 2 seconds, I have perhaps every 5 seconds. The first is the LDR value, and the second is LDR value plus 10. See that it is publishing the data over here, and these are the responses. The response section is also updating on its own. See, 272 responses, 273 responses, right? it should show a graph over here. Well, I think there is some issue with settings, but let's see here in the sheets. The spreadsheet is also updating on its own. Now you can fetch this data from here to any viewer Android application for um, interpreting the data. Thank you very much.